Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to move this trim panel right here, use a trim tool. We sell these at 1aauto.com. Just get in behind here. Pry this out, use some clips. This one happened to stay in there. There's the other one. I'm going to take this clip out before it gets lost. Just use some needle nose pliers. And we can reinstall it on here. Just push it on. So I'm just going to push it on this bench, push it down, just like that. Next is a cover right here. I'm going to take a flat blade screwdriver and just pop this cover off. There's two Phillips head screws right there. We'll take those out with a Phillips head screwdriver. Pull the handle out of your way a little bit. And get this screw out as well. Over here, there's a little cover. Under here, just get your screwdriver under the cover, peel it up. It's just rubber. And another Phillips head screw. Take this one out. Over here, there's a little cover. Take your flat blade screwdriver and pry underneath it. Pull it out of your way. And if you look up in there, there's a Phillips head screw. I'll take this one out. And under here is one more cover. Pop this one off. There's a Phillips head screw right here. Take this one out. We're going to use a trim tool and go underneath here. And just pop off the door panel. And go all the way around. Pop in the door pins. Like that. Once this is all loose, you can lift up on the door panel, pull it back. I'm going to pop this inner door handle assembly in. I'll just take my trim tool, grab under here. There's some clips that hold it in. Just pop these up like this, just like that. That can stay like that for now. I just spun the door panel so that we can see this electrical connector. There is a little tab on here, right there. So push down on that and release the connector. I'll take this bolt out. It's an 8mm. We're going to use an 8mm socket and a ratchet. Pull that bolt out. All right, so just pull this out just a little bit, like that, and then you're going to slide the speaker up and pull it out. There is two little clips on either side that slide into these slots right there. And then to remove the wire, we'll disconnect the connector. There's two retainers here. Squeeze those and then pull the connector out, just like that. To reinstall, I'm just gonna slide the connector back in, lock it in, line this little tab up down below into that slot on both sides, and then we'll slide it down. We can take our 8mm bolt and we'll snug this down. Good. Sometimes you'll have one of these clips stay in the door and we need to put it back in the door panel. We have this clip remover tool. You can get these at 1aauto.com. You do is slide it on all the way and then you just pop it out. All right, we'll reinstall this clip. Slide it in here. Just push it on like that. And we'll Reattach our master window switch electrical connector. Just plug it in the back here until it locks in place. And we'll take the inner door handle. We're going to line it up with the inside of the panel. Just like this. And once that's on, slide the top part of the door panel in first into the window channel. Just like that. And we'll make sure our door panel is lined up with our pins. It's lined up, then we can start pushing it on. We'll install these 2 screws here. Install the screw right here. Tighten that down. You can push this cover on. Install the screw right here. Then we'll pop this cover on. And install the screw right here. And we can pop this cover on this way. Just like that. And then this little one goes right here, gets locked in right there. And then line these retainers up, lock it in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.